Now, one of the things that we need to talk about is there are going to be some failures. This right here was my first attempt at creating this. This is going to happen. It happens to everybody. It turned out so badly, and I tried to save it.
I cutting off the little handles, which you can do, but quite frankly, it doesn't look very good. And then I tried cutting one off, a little lower down, and still.
Not quite what I wanted, as you can see. But you can't be afraid to fail. And if you do fail, well, then just do it a different way, because it all ends up just fine. This is what you're going to end up with. I have faith. Just enjoy it. Have fun. Once you've done one, it's going to be really easy to put together more. You can do it. Remember, there will be failures. Don't worry about it.